Still worried about finding reliable sources? Don't worry now. WarpDriven AI directly connects Italian luxury clothing factories and Chinese manufacturers. Can't calculate shipping costs clearly or uncertain about profits? AI helps you calculate costs in real time, optimize product images and copy, automatically assign orders. AI automatically selects products and enables one-click listing, eliminating all the troubles in between. So customers receive goods faster, and you can be more worry-free. But it's more than just dropshipping. Nexus, the core intelligence hub of the fast fashion AI ecosystem, connects omnichannel e-commerce data, predicts trends 7 to 30 days in advance, and integrates functions such as data fusion and AI-driven decision-making. It helps brands seize first-mover advantage and reduce risks. The Compass can monitor users' behaviors, accurately understand their preferences, and automatically push the styles users like. This way, it can easily boost sales. The Genesis design system allows you to unleash your creativity. Freely design clothing color, style and choose model type, all round fitting by models for clear and intuitive wearing effect. Connect your store in 1 minute now and start the new era of AI dropshipping.